There is a video presentation.
Hi, babe. Happy birthday to you. Pasensya ka na, hindi makawi si Papa. Pero at least, naituloy natin yung celebration ng program mo. Kaya, basta, this is your moment. Kaya, sige lang, kahit wala si Papa, at least na-celebrate natin yung ano mo. Yung, alam ko naman, kahit na maliit ka, lagi kang ganyan, mahilig sa party. Isa naman umuwi si Papa na nga, alam mo na, nagka-problema ang company. Kaya, sige lang. Show must go on nga, sabi. I love you, happy birthday to you. Happy 18th birthday.
Ayan.
Dalaga ng aking Monica Iha. Love you, babe. Bye.
I love you too daw,
Pala,
Papa.
babe, siguro, kahit pa paano, merong konting surprises, Papa. Ikaw nang bahala. Basta may surprise, Papa. Love you.
Wow, medyo naiyak-iyak pa yung ating ano.
May
Siyempre
surprise si Papa.
Basta yung surprise gift, hindi Papa. Of course, teary-eyed din si ating si Mamel.
Ladies and gentlemen, to complete the set of our 18 leading men,
The proud father,
Mr. Lawrence Herio.
Yay! This is the surprise. Come on, Daddy. Ayan. Palakpakan po natin ang mag-ama for their dance. Ayan.
Nag-work ang surprise ni Daddy.
Ayan. Ayan. Lights, please. The ever surprise to our debutant. The best gift ever is the presence of her daddy.
Palakpakan naman natin. Yan ang ever supportive father of our debutant.